Hey everybody, Captain Ben Beecher here, and today we're on our 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Very pretty blue on the outside. It's newer color from Sea Ray. Coming around the back here, see the lower unit there. This does have the open this up, flip this out, flip down swim platform, and a nice deep 4-rung boarding ladder. On up the inside. Back here in the back, open this up. You have cooler storage and your battery switch. Coming to the inside of the boat here, open up the engine hatch. See, this one is equipped with a 4.5 liter 200 horse Merc cruiser. Okay. Storage underneath this seat, drainable, as well as this seat pulls out more storage. Okay, over here, got the bench seat and storage under your helm. This has the upgraded series you can see at the helm here. The Fusion head unit, Simrad glass dash. Moving forward, you got this nice big bow area with the bow filler cushion. Plenty of room for you and all your guests. It's got the nice tower here with the incorporated bimini, so you can pull from the tower if you like, or it does have a lower eye hook to pull from as well. Once again, Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Thanks, have a great day.